Hello there, I'm Michelle from HandsOn. If you're looking for an asset tracking and inventory management solution, then you've come to the right place. Let me show you around our company and our impressive FRID-based product lineup. Our cutting-edge RFID platform presents an integrated end-to-end solution, seamlessly fusing hardware and software capabilities. Designed to deliver tangible advantages across diverse sectors, our RFID technology empowers enterprises to effortlessly monitor inventory, personnel, and assets. This wealth of data is effortlessly managed through an intuitive web portal, making it easy to access data from virtually anywhere, anytime. Our team at HandsOn Systems has spent years developing this solution to make it an easy-to-use, easy-to-scale, and above all, affordable solution than any other systems available in the market.
I'm Luke Muscat and I'm the product manager for RFID and other RTLS tracking solutions. Over the years, I've experienced working within different various sectors, namely the agriculture industry, within the medical industry, warehousing, and other industries. With such technology, we can help the client automate their inventory management and help them come down on cost.
Is the ordeal of inventory stock taking stretching into days or maybe weeks? How confident are you in the accuracy of those counts? Does the merry-go-round of asset tracking leave you dizzy? If the reins of control seem a bit slippery, fret not. Buckle up, for we are about to usher you into the new industrial revolution. Have a look at our website and see for yourself how our RFID solution can help you increase efficiency and save time and money through automation. And guess what? RFID technology is your VIP ticket to the grand stage of Industry 4.0. Using this tried and tested technology, not only is it possible to transfer information and localize objects with a click of a button, but it's also possible to establish a globally unique object identification system. Ready to dive in? Book an online meeting with one of our sales representatives today. Let's forge an alliance that transforms your next project into a triumph beyond measure.